Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a really intense blue eye look using MAC single eyeshadows. So because we're going to be using quite dark intense colours, there'll probably be a lot of fallout, so I'm going to do my eyes first and then my base second. I'm going to start by applying some Chanel Hydra Beauty Flash just around my eye area to moisturise it. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer over my eyelid area. And I'll use a MAC 227 to blend that in. Now using a MAC 224, I'm just going to brush some Stila All Day Illuminating powder in 30 watt to set that. Taking a MAC 227 in the shade Green, I'm going to apply my transition colour all through my crease. Using a MAC 217, I'm going to apply Electric Eel in my crease. Now using the same brush, I'm going to apply Atlantic Blue right over the top. Taking a 219, I'm going to apply Sea and Sky Mineralize Eyeshadow in the C shade into my V. I'm also going to apply this shade under my lash line with the same brush. Now I'm going to blend the edges out with a MAC 224. Just going to take a makeup pad with some micellar water and wipe away any excess fallout. I'm just going to take my 217 back into the Mineralize Eyeshadow in Sea and Sky in the C colour, CC, and just pop that into my V. And once again, just remove that fallout. I'm going to go back and blend the lower lash line with my 224. Now I'm going to use my MAC 223 brush with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Light 2 Vanilla on the inner 2/3 of my eye to create a cut crease. And I'm just going to blend that harsh line out. And go over the edge with my 217. Now I'm going to apply Steamy with my MAC 242 and Fix Plus. And I'm just going to blend that edge out with the 217. We're just going to take the 227 and grain again to blend that top edge out. I'm going to apply Bobbi Brown's Long Wear pencil in black to my waterline and my tight line. Now I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black to apply a wing liner. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of sticky tape so I can get the perfect wing. Now we're going to wipe any excess off our 219 and just blend out underneath the lash line. Now before I do any mascara or lashes, I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup. To start with, I'm going to apply the Chanel Hydra Beauty Flash all over my face as a primer. I'm also going to apply the Chantecaille Liquid Lumiere Anti-Aging Face Illuminator in Brilliance all over my base. And then I'm going to spray my face down with the Frownies Rosewater Hydrator Spray. Now I'm just going to let this sink in before I apply the Hourglass Vanish Stick in Shower. And I'm going to blend this in using the Hourglass Retractable Kabuki brush, just tapping it into the skin. I'm going to apply the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer under my eyes and around my nose in the shade Light 2 Vanilla. And I'm just going to use a MAC 237 to get that right up to my eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender to press all of my foundation and concealer in. Now I'm going to use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light with a MAC 135 to set my powder, to set my foundation. Whoops. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Light Medium with my MAC 168 in the middle colour. And just very lightly contour my cheekbones. I'm going to take my MAC 226 into that same colour and just contour my nose. Now I just contour the tip of my nose to make it slightly slimmer and perter. I'm also going to contour in the middle of that little weird divot there and just under my lip. I'll also chuck a little bit of contour just on the edges of my chin to give it a bit more definition. Now I'm going to use the matte blush in Well Dressed with my Stila 21 brush, and I'm just going to pat that onto my cheeks using a circular motion. Now because we've got a very intense look today, I'm going to be using the Balm Mary Lou. And I'm going to apply that with my MAC 207 fan brush. I'm just going to take my MAC 214 and apply it underneath my brow. Dampen my brush with Fix Plus and apply it to the inner corner of my eye for a serious pop. Now we're just going to respray the Frownies Rose Water Hydrating Spray all over my face. For my lip colour today, I'm going to use the MAC Lip Pencil in Soar to line it. And then we're going to use MAC Yash. I'm going to apply Maybelline Lash Sensational to my upper and lower lashes. I'm just going to use a MAC 266 and the MAC Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream in Deep Dark Brunette to do my brows. And I'm just going to brush them out with a spoolie. So that's the Shine XO lashes in the feline applied, and here's my final look. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.